Now we'll talk about the distinguishing characteristics of social work, which makes the social work profession distinct from other professions. We see that the concept of relationship is the key concept in social work profession. Social work intervenes at the state when the individuals are in state of interaction with the other members of the society, with the social institutions, with the community members, and with the other people in their social environment. Number two, most important characteristic of social work profession is that social work practitioners are always the registered workers in government or non-government agency settings. The social work practitioners always deliver their services under the umbrella of the agency. The basic aim of social work is to help clients help themselves, or to help a community to help itself. Basically, social work believes that the effort should be made to create the self-confidence of the individuals by utilizing the community resources and while using the potentials and the capabilities of the individuals for the solutions of their problems. Then traditionally, social workers have provided services to the individuals and the families. The conventional image of the social work is to support the individuals at family level and to help the families so the better social functioning environment can be provided to the individuals. Another distinguishing characteristic of social work is on the wholeness and totality of the person. Social work as a profession takes individual in the light of the total human environment, not takes the individual in isolation from the social environment, rather tries to deal the individual in the totality of the human environment. Then emphasis is on the importance of the family in molding and influencing the behavior. Social work profession works in different social institutions, and its more focus is on the family, which is the basic fundamental social institution and which plays a very significant role in shaping the personality of the family members. So the family institution is the most important, and social work majorly focus on this basic social institution of the society, which is known as family. Then another important characteristic of social work is the utilization of the community resources. Social work believes in the cost-effective services which should be provided and rendered to the welfare of the people, and the community people are familiar with the available resources of the community. So the community people should use the community resources for their uplift, for their well-being and the welfare of the community. Then social work makes the use of supervisory process. A social work process is a continuous process, is a continuous learning process in which the social work practitioners are placed in different settings, where the senior social workers are offering welfare services. So the new social workers get guidance and supervision from these senior social workers who are working in different social welfare settings and the social welfare projects. So the guidance and direction of inexperienced workers is set by the senior social workers, and this is a continuing growth of the experience in social work profession. Then social work profession has a unique educational program, has a unique body of knowledge, and it involves a different kind of classroom and practical fieldwork experiences. Students are made learn while giving theoretical knowledge in the classroom setting, and then they are placed in different welfare agencies where they make the use of this theoretical knowledge in the field, and they also get knowledge from the field as well, and then the blend of this theoretical and practical knowledge develops a new body of knowledge in the domain of social work profession and social work education. Social work has distinctive national and international professional bodies where the different institutions get membership, and the individuals can also get membership as professionals of social work, like doctors get their registration from medical associations, and engineers get their membership from different engineers associations. Similarly, social workers get registered in different international and national bodies of social work profession. A few of them are International Federation of Social Workers, International Association School of Social Workers, Australian Association Social Workers, and there are so many other professional organizations which are working on international and national level. Social work has an orientation in psychiatric concept and places considerable stress on understanding people. Social workers have to work with the individuals, and as we have talked, that the conventional social work's main focus is on individuals and groups and individuals in the families. So it is important to understand the personality of the individuals, the psychological aspects of the human personality, and the behavioral domain of the person. So social work gets orientation from psychology and other social sciences as well. So the social workers can learn in a better way to modify the behaviors of the individuals. Then another distinguishing characteristic of social work is the social work's main emphasis on social interactions and resultant social functioning and malfunctioning. That what kind of the improvement and why this kind of improvement is being done as a result of certain social action, and what kind of the antisocial behaviors emerge due to the malfunctioning in the society. Then social work recognizes that social problems and human behavior inhere to a considerable degree in the social institutions of humanity. So these problems should be resolved, and this is some sort of natural result of the social interaction in the social institutions.